Hi, I'm Dr. P.K. Talwar, cosmetic surgeon, New Delhi, and I'm practicing cosmetic surgery for more than 30 years now. Previously, I was attached to Apollo and Max hospitals, and now I'm running my own cosmetic laser surgery center at Greater Kailash Part 1, New Delhi. Today, I'm making a video on symptoms of gynecomastia, and the video is being made in English. Previously, on the same topic, I have spoken in Hindi, but there are many college going students or people from South India or Northeast who are not well versed with Hindi, so they have requested that I should be also simultaneously making videos in English also, so that they can understand. So that is why it is not for my old visitors or viewers who have already, I think, viewed this video, but it is for younger generation people who can't understand Hindi well. So this is just a brief introduction about gynecomastia. Actually, I'm speaking to them, so my old viewers will forgive me for that. I'm making a separate video for them, and I'm not introducing something new today. Anyhow, now the symptoms of gynecomastia. What are the symptoms? First of all, we have to understand what is gynecomastia. Gynec is female, anything pertaining to female, there is gynec, and mastia is breast. So when the breast becomes like female breast, it is called gynecomastia. Mastia is for breast. Now, this is a very common problem. We think it is very uncommon, but it is very common problem nowadays. And how will you know that you have got gynecomastia? First thing I can tell you, if you feel that your nipples are protruding out of your shirt or t-shirt, they are visible, most likely you have got gynecomastia. Secondly, there may be some puffiness or some tenderness in your nipple area, and you may feel that they are slightly enlarged. Again, most likely you have got gynecomastia. You can also see if the size of your breast is increasing. And how do you see? Basically, whenever you go for taking bath and you are standing in front of mirror, you can examine your breast and see for yourself whether your size of your nipple has increasing, or it has already increased, or the breast size has also increased a bit more than normal. So if you think it is something more than normal, you can also palpate the nipple, and you will find that the earliest sign will be nodules. So one nodule will be formed there, and usually it starts from nipple, the gynecomastia. Why it starts from nipples? See what happens, that breast, men have got breast, female have got breast, both of them, but female breast is enlarged because of their hormones, and in males, because of their hormones, that is testosterone, the breast does not grow. So it is a rudimentary phase, but sometimes it increases because of different reasons. So the earliest sign will be a nodule or puffiness of the nipple. And why so? See, breast contains milk ducts, and all the milk ducts from the breast, they are converging or they are meeting at the nipple point, because the breasts are used for breastfeeding the child. So all the milk ducts will come there, and they will, you can say, collected at the nipple side. And if there is gynecomastia or there is enlargement of the gland, so the milk ducts will also increase. So there will be, earliest sign will be a nodular swelling at the nipple. So if you find there is a nodular swelling at the nipple which has increased in size, or the nipple has increased size, or there is some pain, some tenderness there, most likely you have got gynecomastia. So that is the symptom. But sometimes you may not find any tenderness or nodular feeling. There may be just a soft enlargement of the breast. So it might give you impression that you have got gynecomastia, but actually it is not gynecomastia, because in gynecomastia the gland should increase. Along with the gland, the fat is also get deposited, because breast contains fat and gland both. Now, if the gland is not increased, only the fat is there, so you will find it's very soft breast. something very soft, and you don't feel any breast tissue there. So will you call it a gynecomastia? Technically no, because the breast gland has not increased in size, but at the same time there is deposition of fat. So this condition is called pseudogynecomastia. It means that there is no exact gynecomastia, but at the same time it is giving impression of enlargement of the breast tissue, breast gland. Though breast tissue is not enlarged, it is only the fat surrounding the breast has enlarged. And what is the solution? In both the cases you have to get it treated. It is as simple as that. So if you feel that you have got gynecomastia, examine yourself first, see for the swelling, and then consult a good cosmetic surgeon in your town. And once he examines you, he will be able to tell you whether you have got gynecomastia or not, and then he will chalk out a program for you how to treat your problem, and what will be the steps for the treatment. And basically surgery is the ultimate treatment for gynecomastia. So this was a brief introduction for the symptoms of gynecomastia for the younger males, and I'm sure that I'm able to convey it to you in as simple language as possible. But still, if you feel that you would like to ask some questions about that, yes, you are most welcome. Please contact my team and we'll be very happy to answer any of your queries. And if you like the video, please don't forget to like and subscribe it. Thank you very much.